Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use a new add-on to create a source list, a works cited or a reference list for the sources that you use during your research. I have a new Google Doc open here. I'm going to come in and title it Works Cited. I'm going to be using this with my ThingLink project. Now I'm going to come here to where it says add-ons. I'm going to click add-ons. I'm going to click on EasyBib Bibliography Creator and click on Manage Biography or Bibliography. And here it opens up a new window. I can search by book, a journal, or a website. I'm going to click on Website, and down here I can choose what kind of source and how I want it cited. In English class we use MLA 8th edition, but in science class you'll be using this APA style. So know that they are interchangeable. There's a little bit difference in formatting, so you want to make sure you're using the right one for the right class. So I'm going to click on MLA 8th edition. Then I have all of my links up here that I've used for class. I'm just going to highlight them, Control C, come back to my Word document, Control V. I keep saying Word document, my Google Docs, and then hit select. And it's going to import it. I'm going to come to my next one, which is my YouTube video. Control C. Back to my doc. Control V. Hit search. Now watch what happens. It says this. I'm going to hit select because that is the one that I want. And notice it puts it into alphabetical order for me. So I don't even have to worry about that, which is awesome. Control C. Back to the doc, enter the website, Control V. That's the one that I used. There it is. Now notice here, there's a little bit of discrepancy in my alphabetical order. I'm going to fix that in the end. I'm going to use this Herald News article, Control C. Control V. That looks good. I'm going to cite this Control C, this Google Earth site. Control V. My Google Earth. And then the last thing I want to cite is this citation from Britannica. Because Britannica cites it for me correctly, I'm going to come back to this Google Doc and I'm just going to click here where it says Add Bibliography to the document. I'm going to click. It's automatically going to push it in as a works cited. But now I'm going to come here to my Britannica. I'm going to click on the citation button. It's already set for MLA style. I'm going to highlight Control C, and that starts with a K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. That's going to go here. I'm going to do Control V, and it automatically pops it in. I just want to be sure that everything's in alphabetical order. This, because it begins with a B, needs to get moved. So I'm going to highlight it, do a Control X. That should be, oops, backspace. Move it back to center. That should be here. Control V. And that should be capitalized. And then fix the spacing. Visionary project should be capitalized. That's actually 2 words. That's good. This was done, is the website here, ABCDEFGHIJKLMN, OP. We do Control X, Control V, backspace that up. Oops, I'm going to hit undo because you see what happened there? I lost my correct spacing. And then it looks good. So I'm going to save this as my works cited. I'm going to just do a quick highlight, a Control C. I'm going to come back into my Thingling document. I created a book tag, and I'm just going to put my text here, Control V, and it's going to format all of my citations. They don't look as pretty as they did before, but at least they are all there within my document. And I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to hit save my image one more time. And that is how easy it is to use EasyBib in your writing and to cite your sources. Thanks, you guys.